you may have remembered a couple weeks back, I just changed the blades on my mower, and I put in these new high lift blades, believe it or not. And I've been side discharging, and what I've actually come to find is that the blades work so well that they are throwing the grass so far out the side that it's making a mess. So I'm going to try something that I haven't done before. I got myself a mulching kit. Now this is Craftsman. I make nothing from Craftsman, but I'm going to give it a try and let you know how it works. Now for this time I'm not going to remove the deck, I'm just going to lift it up with a jack. Let me go get that. Wonder what that was. You're going to ask me about those, aren't you? It's, believe it or not, for a future project. Alright, this mulching kit includes a new set of blades. But these are mulching blades. They have a cutter on the one side. Everything cuts, and it flows up here, down there, and up a little here. And it's supposed to create circular vortex within the underside of the deck. That's what they're for. And a chute blocker, cover, whatever you want to call it. The little rubber gizmos that go on the chute, hold the chute on, I should say. Alright, I got one blade off already. This is the old blade. It's only a couple weeks old. I think I might have had 3 cuts on it. So it's still sharp. It's got the flanges on the sides that just lift the grass up. It's a straight blade with just these fins to lift the grass. And let me tell you, they do a great job. And if I was bagging my grass, they'd be perfect. But I don't want to bag my grass. I want to put that nitrogen back on the lawn. So this is what the new blade looks like. Luckily, it does specifically say grass side on it, so when I install it, that's the side that goes down. It's pretty idiot-proof. Now, I will definitely save the old blades because there are going to be times during the year that I might want to bag my grass, and this will provide better suction, better force up the tube, up the grass chute than this one will. I am still using a block of wood that I can provide leverage so I can get it loose. And I attached the rubber things. They were simple with a screw on the inside and nut and washers on the outside. And this fits on to this little hook right here. And then it attaches at both sides. That one's easy. This one's not so easy. Okay. Now there is a space right here. And it is kind of high. I know it's made for more than just a 42-inch deck, so it could just be a byproduct of that. But I don't know. It seems like grass is going to get caught up inside there. I'm going to give it a try and let you know how it goes. halfway done with the front. I know the lighting is bad, but it's a good cut. It does, I'll show you what it does. It's one thing that I don't like about it. See this? I mean, although they are pretty fine blades of grass, they kind of collect to the right side of the deck, which is exactly where they would come out if they were going up the hopper. So I think it's designed to throw all the grass over towards that chute, and when you put something in the way to block it, even though I'm not taking much off, I'm only taking off maybe this much, maybe about 3/4 of an inch. That's not bad, and it's doing a good job. I mean, it's certainly not getting all over the place, but I don't know. It's 50 some odd dollars. I think about $52 plus tax. I can't imagine doing this if the grass was longer and potentially wet. That would never work. All right, this will be the moment of truth here. Oh man, that thing is tight. That's what she said. Actually, there's not that much underneath it. A little bit of a clump, that's all. I mean, this stuff here. But, I don't know. I think what happens is all the grass under there comes and hits this thing, and it leaves like a trail right along the side here. So I found that if you're willing to constantly mow in circles, getting concentric smaller circles, and always have this on the inside, you can actually mow over that line and grind it up even better. Because that's pretty fine grass, I gotta say. I don't know, what do you think? Did you guys ever use one of those things? I mean, am I just asking for trouble? Should I just let it fly out the side? Anybody that has a tractor out there and has used a mulching kit that works, please let me know. Otherwise, I don't know. I think I might actually consider returning it. Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Visit my website, HandyDadTV, for more great ideas and information. Be sure to subscribe to be the first to know when new videos are posted.